I was given this data. Okay, this is the month column and this is the sale column, and I was told that to find the month which has the maximum sale amount from here. Okay, so let's do it. Press the equal sign, use X lookup, then use another function that is max. Okay, because I'm going to find the maximum value in this range, so I will select this range. After closing the parenthesis, put the comma, and then use this range again. Use this range again as lookup array. After putting the comma, you will use this range as return array. Okay, now if you close the parenthesis and hit the enter button, you will see that November 2022 is the month which has the maximum sale amount. Okay, now if you want to find the sale amount in November 2022, you will use another function that is VLOOKUP. This is my lookup value and this is the total array. After this I will put a comma, then 2, then comma. Okay, because the sale amount is in the second column. After closing the parenthesis, you will see that 1.9 million is the sale amount which is in the November 2022. So November 2022 is the month which has the maximum value, and 1.9 million is the amount which is in the November 2022. So thank you very much for watching.